you're never too young or old to become a model. Tulad na lang dito sa pinakitang fashion show na nangyari noong March 16, 2018. At bakit ba magkakasama ang mga bata at matatanda? Well, that's because they all have something in common. Lahat po sila ay pasyente ng De Los Santos Medical Center, and they all have undergone surgery that enabled them to walk the ramp.
Well, actually, this fashion show is for patients who had hip and knee replacement surgeries. Most of our models now, these are patients who had their hips replaced, their knee joints replaced. Actually, this was just an idea born out from one of our doctor surgeons na siguro this is one way of telling the people, other patients, potential patients who have hip and joint problems na meron pang pag-asa. We were telling them that we have this facility wherein people with knee and hip problems can come here for consultation and probably have their surgery. Through the years, no, we have grown and we have developed new services that potential patients can utilize.
The joint replacement surgery is performed for patients who have tried therapy, injections, medicines, and they still suffer from severe pain because of arthritis. That is when we offer joint replacement surgery. Through the fashion show, we hope to show people that joint replacement is able to bring them back to the quality of life that they once had. Our models were patients who could hardly walk before. But now, if you watch them, you will see that they walk as if nothing happened. And that is what we want to emphasize, that we have the technology to help people bounce back to the type of life that they once enjoyed.
It feels great. It's as if nothing happened. It's just a memory. When I was 25 years old, I was diagnosed with a vascular necrosis of the hip due to chronic use of corticosteroids. I'm asthmatic, so I use corticosteroids for maintenance. So what happened was that my femoral artery, which is the blood supply of the femoral head, so since there's no blood supply anymore, so my femoral head died, so it necrotized. So they have to take it out and replace it with another one.
So don't let any injury bring you down, especially when you have hospitals like the De Los Santos Medical Center to make things right.
I'm very thankful to the De Los Santos Medical Center and of course to my doctor, Dr. Jose Fernandez Siquia. He was very inspirational. He took care of me very good, and he's very empathic of my condition.
So the treatment of joints damaged by arthritis involves medications, therapy, injections, weight control. But in case these don't help, then we do have the technology to help you go back to the lifestyle that you once enjoyed at a price that will truly surprise you here at the Arthritis Center of De Los Santos Medical Center.
We would like to thank our potential patients no, for coming over and accepting their new job as models for our fashion show. And to those patients who have knee and hip problems, maybe you can come here and consult our rheumatologists and orthopedic surgeons in our Arthritis Center if they need surgery or what are the things that they can do if they have problems with the hip and knee joints.